once again, I am starting a video with driving. I am heading up towards the Firewatch Tower at Devil's Head up near Castle Rock. A whopping maybe 3-mile hike with like 800 feet of gain. Thank you. But I'm hoping to get there for sunrise, so it's pretty early. Okay, so it is 5:01. It took me a little bit over an hour to get here. Starting to get some light in the sky behind me. So I don't have a particularly long hike up, so let's get it done. I made it up to the fire tower. Nice. That was harder than I thought it would be. It took about 35 minutes to get up here, but man, this view is spectacular. Whew. Wow. Wow. Oh man. I brought a bunch of camera gear. So we'll see as the sun's coming up what we get. Nice. Alright, so I brought a ton of camera gear. Film camera, A1, 200 to 600, 16 to 35, 35 1.4. Nice. Well, there's our sunrise. Nice. Whew. Awesome. I did bring my long lens, so we're gonna wait till there's some light on Pikes or some light on downtown Denver, but man.
Yeah, so this is spectacular. This might be one of my favorite places that I've been in Colorado. Wow. Worth the kind of rough hike up. Well, now that I'm kind of done taking photos frantically as the sun was coming up, I can talk a little bit. So I'm at the Devil's Head Firewatch Tower. It's just kind of between Denver that way and Colorado Springs that way. And it's right above Castle Rock. Oh man, this is awesome. You know, got great views of Pikes Peak this way. Got great views of, looks like Mount Evans and maybe even Bierstadt that way. You can see downtown Denver that way. Man, so I'll probably just hang out up here just a little bit longer and then pack up and head down. I've got a wedding up in Denver today, so I need to be ready for that. Oh man, this is a great hike. Highly recommend it. Wow, man. On bringing this up me. Wow, is that a unique place? I am very impressed with that. That is so cool. That is so cool. Jeez. See you later. Until next time. All right, well that was Devil's Head Firewatch Tower. That was so cool. Highly recommended. That hike wasn't too bad. Such a cool view from the top. Holy cow. Oh man, that was definitely worth the 3:30 a.m. Wake up this morning. So highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Do the like, subscribe, all that, and we'll keep going.